Bitcoin trades above $30,000, Ether stays below $2,000. Infosys signs 5-year AI deal with $2 billion target spend. Cathie Wood says ARK is taking profits as it sells $26 million coin. Binance ends Argentina Soccer Association partnership, citing lack of compliance. Dragonfly, Arthur Hayes backs $6 million round for new stablecoin Ethereum. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital currencies or VDA markets fell as markets took a break from Ripple XRP's partial victory against US SEC. Bitcoin dropped below the $30,000 crucial level. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.5% at 39,700 points. In recent news, the US SEC accepted BlackRock's proposal for a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. Additionally, the US Securities and Exchange Commission has also accepted Valkyrie's Bitcoin exchange-traded fund proposal, indicating a favorable development for Bitcoin, analysts believe. Analysts expect the SEC to delay approvals running over months given the unhurried pace of its previous decisions. The agency is still in process of collecting information about the proposals. Interestingly, XRP's ruling provides an optimistic outlook on Ripple as it expects the United States banking sector will start using XRP to facilitate cross-border transactions, reports highlighted. However, this initiative included the potential adoption of Ripple's on-demand liquidity products, which aims at enhancing financial operations for financial companies in the US. Going forward, Cathie Wood's ARK Invest Fund sold a total of 248,838 Coinbase shares worth $26 million earlier. It must also be noted that in the previous week, ARK Invest sold around $50 million of worth of Coinbase shares when the share value reached an all-time high. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.2 trillion mark, losing 0.8% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased about 33% to $36 billion. Talking about DeFi sector, Uniswap, a decentralized exchange ecosystem, has been performing exponentially well this week as it recorded a weekly gain of around 15%. This increase in price has been attributed to launch of Uniswap X, an open source protocol which aims to offer gas-free swapping and expanding on-chain trading. Moving on, Chainlink, a decentralized Oracle network, also recorded gains of nearly 7% after the network deployed cross-chain interoperability protocol in its network. US stock futures were trading mixed as a busy day of earnings got underway. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained just 2 points, while S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures fell marginally. Bitcoin was trading at $30,015, down 0.8%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.6%, trading at $1,905. On my left, BNB was down by 0.5% to trade at $241. Next on the list, we have Solana Sol. It was down 6.7% and was trading at $25.5. Talking about Cardano's ADA token, it was down by 1.7% to trade at $0.30. Next, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $14.1, lower by 1.4%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2% to trade at $0.75. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.8% at $0.069. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. It was trading down by 1.3%. Polkadot was down by 0.8% to trade at $5.3. And Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.75, up by 1.8%.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. IT major Infosys has won a $2 billion deal spread over 5 years with an existing client. The agreement is to provide artificial intelligence and automation-based modernization and maintenance services, according to its filing to the stock exchanges filed late Monday. The Bengaluru-headquartered firm did not disclose the name of the client. This comes a few days ahead of its first quarter results scheduled to be announced on Thursday. Infosys pegged its FY24 growth around 4 to 7%, its slowest revenue expansion in 6 years. The largest IT service firm have been frequently announcing large deals over the past few weeks. Last month, Infosys had a digital transformation deal with Nordic-based Danske Bank valued at $454 million for a period of 5 years. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest is offloading more Coinbase shares after the stock closed Monday at $105.55, just shy of its one-year high of $107. A trade disclosure sent out by the growth-focused fund shows that it offloaded 248,838 of coins worth just over $26 million based on Monday's closing price. ARK has been selling off its holdings of coin as the stock continues to perform well. On July 14th, it disclosed it had sold 480,000 coin shares across 3 funds worth $50.5 million based on the day's closing prices. The previous week, it sold $12 million as the stock rallied. Wood recently said that ARK has written down its stake in Twitter by 47% since Elon Musk took it private last year. Binance has terminated its 5-year partnership with the Argentine Soccer Association just after years citing a breach of contract. We regularly evaluate the results of our partnerships around the world, and unfortunately, despite being offered time and opportunities, the AFA has not fully complied with its contractual obligations, which goes against our business values and our partnership principles, Binance said in a statement posted on Twitter on Monday. In January 2022, Binance became the main sponsor of Argentina's powerhouse national soccer team and the naming sponsor of its National Soccer League in a 5-year deal. Portugal-based Ethena, a startup developing an internet-saving bonds as well as a new Ethereum-based stablecoin secured by derivatives, has raised $6 million in a seed funding round led by crypto-focused venture capital firm Dragonfly. The startup will use the capital towards the launch of its stablecoin and bond asset in the third quarter. Other backers in the round included BitMEX founder Arthur Hayes and his family office, Maelstrom, and a handful of crypto derivatives exchanges including Deribit, Bybit, OKX, Gemini, and Hobby, among others. Founded earlier this year, Ethena is working on 2 new products that will form a digital currency and savings platform. The fully collateralized stablecoin will have on-chain custody and settlement. The coin will maintain its peg to the US dollar by utilizing user-provided collateral to hedge the price exposure by betting against Ethereum using perpetual swaps. The setup aims to balance any losses or gains by either asset or so that the stablecoin holds consistent at $1. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing stocks of the day.
Moving on, now let's have a look at the buzzing stocks of the day. First on the list we have Sui. Sui, the first of its kind layer 1 blockchain and smart contract platform, is witnessing a surge of activity, mainly due to its new Web3 game, a Sui 8192. The new game is not only boosting blockchain engagement, but it's also contributing to the bullish run of Sui's native token Sui. Sui is trading near 5% up in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $486 million. Sui 8192 was found to have contributed to the network transaction spike via Sui Scan. The game has generated 258 million transactions on the Sui blockchain in the last 24 hours alone. The number of transactions on the Sui blockchain has surpassed 29 million in the last 24 hours, setting a new milestone. This growth was mostly driven by Ethos Wallet's Sui 8192 casual game, which is the first on-chain game on the Sui. Sui and its playability simultaneously, Sui trade volume has nearly doubled in the last week, rising from $33 million to a whopping $76 million in just 24 hours. Moving on, decentralized exchange aggregator solution 1inch experienced a price explosion early Monday morning, soaring by over 37%. The impressive pump is continuing the altcoin momentum sparked by XRP's legal victory last week. 1 inch is trading at $0.38 with a market capitalization of $361 million. This increased interest has also resulted in a significant growth in the number of unique wallet addresses holding 1 inch. Furthermore, data from Etherscan.io shows multiple huge buy and sell orders in the last few hours, some worth more than $10,000. When it comes to technical indicators, the recent 1 inch increase has sent the price over the 20-day and 50-day exponential moving averages. On-chain data shows massive inflows and outflows of 1 inch from key exchanges, indicating that whales are taking large positions in this coin. Moving on, leading blockchain data oracle provider Chainlink announced the deployment of its cross-chain interoperability protocol. It has entered the mainnet early access phase of the Avalanche, Ethereum, Optimism, and Polygon blockchains. Chainlink is trading near 6% up $7 in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $3 billion. The blog post noted that leading DeFi protocols in derivatives and lending were adopting CCIP. These include Synthetix and Aave, which have integrated the system. CCIP offers enhanced security features, including the active risk management network and transfer rate limits. It also offers a simplified token transfers, programmed token transfers, and arbitrary messaging for cross-chain smart contracts. Reliable transaction execution is achieved through gas-locked fee payment mechanisms, ensuring execution regardless of gas spikes or network congestion. Swift and major financial institutions and infrastructure providers are collaborating with Chainlink and CCIP. Moving on, popular decentralized trading protocol Uniswap has revealed Uniswap X, a permissionless open-source protocol that offers a Dutch auction-based trading across AMMs and other liquidity sources. Following this announcement, Uni is trading at $6.20, up near 3%, with a market capitalization of $3 billion. The objective is to expand on-chain trading and improve self-custody swapping. Uniswap X aims to improve prices, aggregate liquidity sources, and provide gas-free swapping. It operates by outsourcing routing complexity to third-party fillers who compete to fill swaps using on-chain liquidity. Uniswap X is available on the Uniswap Labs interface and has been tested and audited with the bug bounty available. The platform offers no contract modification or pause and is available on the Uniswap Labs interface. Moving on, last on the list we have Celsius. After all the coins upticked, all-in-one banking and financial services platform Celsius executed the sale of some of its altcoin holdings in the early hours of 17 July, on-chain analyst Look On-Chain found. Cell is trading at $0.16, down near 2%, in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $39 million. According to Look On-Chain, Celsius transferred 1.27 million Link tokens, 2.83 million SNX tokens, 12,597 BNB tokens, 4.45 million 1inch tokens, 8.53 million ZRX tokens, and 439,000 FTX tokens to FalconX. They also deposited 186,000 BONE into OKEX. This brought the total value of the altcoins that Celsius has sold to $23.2 million. The insolvent lender Celsius has received approval from the US bankruptcy court to sell its altcoin holdings. The CEL token has experienced a significant depletion of its market liquidity since its bankruptcy proceedings began. The downtrend positions of key momentum indicators confirm increased CEL sales in recent months.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3worstv.io or scan the QR code.